Run.
Yo, what's up guys? This is your boy Binbo aka your YouTuber. Today we are going to shoot a stupid, oh my god, today's prank is so expensive guys. Just check it out. Let's go to the video.
Jesus is Lord.
Are karta.
We do keep quiet.
Sorry. I prank no. Neterele muhani. For real, it's a prank. For real, it's a prank. See the camera over there. Calm down. It's water, for real. Let me show you. You see, it's water.
Really, nigga?
It's not me. But you say hi to camera now. Just do like this. Okay, thank you so much.
Continue.
Oh my god.
Jesus!
Bro, carta. No. Ahora te
Jesus is Lord.
Sister, are carta. Sister, are carta.
Run. Guys,
that's all about today's video. That's crazy. Yo, make sure you subscribe, share, like, comment. Yo, please share the links now. Share the links to your friends, everything, you know. You got it. If you don't get it, you know the point. So see you for the next video. Ciao.